dream trip to the city turns into a nightmare. And if they want to get home tomorrow, they have to live through tonight. Final Jeopardy Sunday.
Where?
What's your recipe for fun in the evening? Start with a little luck, a dash of suspense,
Where is that secret X?
When you return it.
beautiful girls, and a great big helping of fabulous prizes.
Frosty things.
We sell frosty things.
And these are very good.
What else do we have in our shop?
So, we have these magic cards.
Do some magic tricks for me?
Oh, could I, Dad? Can I do some magic tricks, Dad? Right here? Nah. And we sell this for Hollywood. And we have a candle and this that cost $18. And we have these two valuable cups.
Yeah, okay, that's enough.
And these
We don't need any more stuff down here.
and these two wastable cups.
What are they?
Wastable cups.
Wastable cups. What's a wastable cup?
And we have
Do you have any jokes?
two erasers.
Do you have any jokes?
Okay. What did the dog do to the cat?
I don't know.
He
What did the dog do to the cat?
put Ronnie reindeer on his face.
Oh,
You done that?
Didn't you have a joke about the principal or something?
Yeah.
How did that go?
I forget.
Well, one more joke and I'm cutting it off.
Let's see.
How about getting away from behind the plant first? You're behind the plant the whole entire time.
How about what did the bear do to the tiger?
I don't know. What did the bear do to the tiger?
He dropped the house on him.
Oh.
Okay. That's one of the Look out now! No! I'm gonna be on TV. Everybody! Smile! Yes, the John Justice hot dog! That's it!
Oh, what a mess.
I'd like to put you that.
No, get out.
There's some other food out there. I can't eat this roll, but I can eat
Yeah, don't move, kid. Get a close-up of that pussy of yours, huh?
Look at it.
Give me a big smile, man. Well, hello, boy. Look at them babies, huh? Well, you're cooking. You're cooking, kid.
He's luscious.
Yeah, I can see the color on him. Look at him. Who's over there yapping? Hey, you, shorty. Oh, my God. Don't move, Kev. Don't move. Holy mother of God.
Happy birthday to you. went to Columbia. 6 went to Columbia and we there. 14.
Where do you live?
Look at that. My name's Kevin McCluskey. I live at 249 Miles Avenue in Southtown, PA. My age is 11.
What's your name?
Say hi, my name's Mom.
Yeah. We'll tell you when to go.
Girl, boy, girl.
Girl.
What's your name?
Boy.
Say your name.
Girl.
Jasmine Sawyer.
And you go behind her.
And your
I'm
address.
Then
Bye.
girl, girl.
And a hat. Girl.
You're a boy.
And what's your address?
You're after her.
Address.
Where do you live?
Your address.
And how old are you?
5.
And where do you live?
What do you
Where do you live?
address?
And how old are you?
5.
And where do you live?
Black.
Okay. And how old are you?
5.
And where do you live?
What do you want for Christmas?
My 2 front teeth.
Okay.
Kevin.
Rob? Hey, tell me your name in the picture.
No, right.
Get behind your line. Get behind. Get behind her.
Michael Dempsey.
Where do you live? And where do you live? Your name? And tell me how old you are.
Can I do that?
And where do you live? Your name?
John.
How old are you?
5.
And where do you live?
Penn Boulevard.
Look at the camera, not at Monica.
Okay.
And how old are you? And where do you live? Richard, Richard, look over here. And where do you live? And how old are you?
Where do you live?
What's that on the back of your head? What's stuck on the back of your head? Next.
How old are you? 6. Okay.
Where'd you get the phone?
Go ahead.
How old are you? Where do you live? 8. 5. Okay, thank you. That's it.
That's a take.
Okay.
We got everybody.
Start.
Some enchanted evening.
Oh, jeez.
Big under our tree, Chris. Mommy found a tree. What do you think?
Mom, we found it too.
Daddy's gonna help. Let me take the
Mom, I found these stems. Tree.
It's gonna be a fat tree.
Come on, Wow.
Hi, you guys.
Hi.
Smile. Come on, Bill. Get in there. We'll get everybody in. Get in there, Bill.
The sun lighted me.
Okay, say Santa Claus.
Santa
Okay.
Daddy. No, we don't want this trick. We want this trick. Here, now. I can't help cover me. Tell them where it is. Well, that's what I was hoping.
I should have few with flying codes on it, say.
Over here. Yeah, the one we had last year.
Flying code over there.
Mine was a 5-foot tree. Pine cone. No, you don't want to be like Charlie Brown.
Well,
It's
let's,
easy
when they're already cut and you
what are
see
you
what they
doing?
look like.
I really like that one too.
I don't like that. It's too fat.
Hey, Chris!
Where's he at?
Right there.
I'm following him, but how close is he?
Too close.
Hi, Chris. Hi, Elbow. Now, what can I do to take this farther away?
Hi.
Up here?
No.
Okay, let me press this.
What are you doing? Get those
Move
two
the
out
camera
there.
easy.
Get them two.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that's better.
You missed one.
He's hot dogging it up.
That's the sun. You go right into the sun there.
Yeah, I left my saw on it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, we took one out of there.
Oh, that's a pretty tree. I like
nice.
that. Well,
Okay,
get
let's see you cutting it down.
And get me off that camera before I beat
This
you.
is our tree.
So close.
What, Mom? Dad, come on. Make a mark on there. Where to start? Tell me where to start.
Now talk while you're cutting it down.
Hey, Tom. Favor.
What?
There's children here. Beep, beep. Yours is too, so don't fall.
Mom, let's go
What
put
you
it
sing? Christmas tree. Christmas.
Okay,
Come on, everybody, join in.
Say, give us a break.
Find it, Charlie Paul.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, okay. Take your time.
Hey, man, I just. Oh, I think I broke it.
Hey, Mom, look. They look like a whole pile of regular shoes that way, don't they?
Yeah.
See them? They must have them all scattered about.
Oh, this one has pine cones on it. too.
Wait a minute, look. This is a regular shoes.
Mom. Yeah, something like that. That's what it was. Down there?
Look at those buns.
Look at this.
Nice buns, Al, right on camera.
Okay, get in there, Al. They're gonna be cutting.
Good.
Find one? Now we just decide to come back on and cut.
Dad, get over
You
here.
can tell this one.
Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on there.
You're not supposed to cut the ones with the white tags on it.
Oh, is that what it is? Somebody bought them?
Nah, there's no white tag on it.
Is that what that means?
Yeah, I seen a thing on a sign that said, don't cut the
They'll
ones
probably
with
stick
tags
around.
with mark.
Oh, it's nice actually.
We're going to see the van when we get home.
See what?
I said the vans
What?
and with all the mud and everything. How about the other saw?
Yeah.
Oh, this tree is tougher than here. Look at the end of it.
Well, we found a tree once.
And where are you going? Kevin! Come back here.
Right here.
Okay, hon, take a break.
Mom, can I hold this one? Can I hold this, Mom? Mommy. Mom. Can I hold this, Mom?
She can't answer you when she's taking pictures. Well, she's not too blind. I must be catching up with her.
Just try the other side.
Mommy, you can stop now. I'm gonna do it.
Glasses are pain in the lens.
Mom,
Yeah.
let me do it now. Mom, let me look through it.
It's a pretty tree. I like that.
Well, I'm going below this cut.
Picture this when it falls. Yeah!
I'm glad you guys aren't lumberjacks.
You'd be waiting 5 years for them to come home from their tree cutting. You'd still be on the first
When
tree.
you're done, let me look through it, Mom.
They keep that thing going all the time.
Let's go. Yeah, Chris, the camera's going.
Hey, Al Timber, let's hear it.
There goes
Ready?
Push it with a brake, yeah.
timber!
Timber!
And let it go.
Guys, timber! About time.
Here, Mom.
Right, go up there, Albo. Right. You just walk in front of
Here
me.
it is, fellas.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, over to Tom's. This ends.
Here.
Forget where it is.
Hi, Katie.
Okay, we got our trees we're needing. Oh, y'all ready?
Yeah, everybody.
Look at that. Look at that. Hey, how you're in the sun.
I know.
Bye.
Like a bad penny, boy.
Hey, Al, you're like a bad petty.
Come on, Dad.
Melissa, look.
Watch out, Chris. Chris, watch out. I'm like following you.
She's getting pictures from all over the place.
Chris, watch out.
You want to go timber?
Yeah.
Nice tree.
Almost ready.
Ready?
Almost ready.
Ready?
Yeah, hold on.
You're ready to go timber going. Okay?
You want me to let it fall?
Timber! Right on time.
Let's go find our tree.
And Pop?
Yeah, they'll like
Here's
it.
your tree.
Yeah, that's nice.
This is your tree. When
And
we're
mine's
done.
good. You might not think
Tell them to start cutting it then.
Well, somebody cut.
Is that the good saw?
Yeah.
You didn't see under there.
Watch your fingers, Kev. I'm exhausted now. I help you.
Mommy.
No.
Dad, can I put this to decorate my own tree?
Here, let's bring the chainsaw.
Can I, Mom?
How about up here?
No, you can't cut that one.
Yeah, come on, Tom.
Are you guys gonna cut it yourself?
That tree's only $25 right there.
Where's the other saw at? What, the black one? No, the other one. Pops. Can I use that for something?
Focuses automatically or what?
Yeah, do you see him?
Yo, Kevin! Kevin! I hit her. Chris, give me that snowball.
saw.
No! Don't throw it, just hand it to me. No!
That's Pop.
I almost got her.
What the heck?
That's yours, Kev. Hold it up, Mom. Get some more snowball. No, you come mine down. Boom, 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 boom.
Timber!
Timber! You're so wonderful, darling.
There's not gonna be any timber left.
Can you look at the camera when you're doing that, Tom?
It's still attached a little bit. Timber my foot.
Timber? Not yet.
Why is this tiny tree so much smaller?
I was going to say that.
Because you picked it out.
Tiny figs are a lot of trouble.
You're not getting the patches job on the film, are you? Come over here. I can go archery. Jeez. Cut that thing.
What do you do?
Right. Mud.
Follow me over this way, Mom. Clear. Okay.
Yeah. Mr. Marion, what was that you said about Al?
Yeah, Barb. Wait a minute.
Where are you? Bye. Crazy.
Good. What do you want?
Okay, let's hear a Christmas song. It's embarrassing.
Alright, wait. I'll put it up, right? Oh, no, look. Our camera song.
Okay, let's see here.
What's her mom?
$500. $1,000 you got it for it, because they're $1,400, $1,500.
It's a good buy. I thought Billy knew to be here.
So did I.
Where's the car?
It's like that. It's like that. Where's the car?
Barb, you want me to get you in the picture?
Yeah, Barb, I just want to get in it. Sit in the trees, Barb, and have your picture.
Barb, are you having more fun than you did in Lake George?
This is crazy. I am freezing. My toes are freezing.
You're supposed to talk.
Eddie, they got the whole thing for
I'm not talking. Huh?
The whole thing for $1,000.
Boy, that's great.
She said Jefferson Morgan's getting rid of all their appliances.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Barb will be bringing that everywhere she goes now.
Let us play football. Contact, incidental contact like that's not going to kill anybody. Anyway, a great return only the for young green all year. And it's exciting, and it's
Say, Corey, wave to him.
Eagles defense is out there, and the ball is on the 10-yard line. First and 10.
Mama, she was thinking all the focuses. Oh, go around the other way.
Rainer looking quickly outside. A couple of yards. Hey. Philadelphia only has 22 yards offensively. The Redskins have over 125 yards.
Yeah, the fishies.
This is sort of like...
Let him get the balloon. Whoops, you're talking.
Oh, get me.
Who says he wants a training camp, and then he's going to be good.
Easy.
Back to the fish.
Trailer. From the end zone.
He wants to show you the fish.
No good.
He's saying.
It will be a safety, and the Eagles scored first.
Eagles get two points. Jerks.
Just talk on camera.
Looking at me too, are you, fella? Huh? Huh? I see you. Yeah.
You can see right here as the
See big fish?
playing here.
Yeah, there's a little fish. Yeah. He's been handy. Look, Corey. Look. Look, Corey, look.
There it is.
Yeah. You just say hi. You didn't get me that. I think that you haven't seen that.
I know.
You're starting that kid really up there, huh? You like that? You're starting it. Yeah, I guess.
Why?